Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I'd just like to obviously have a look at the ASX 200 and see how it's trending, and you can see why we've been quite positive actually for last week, and we've been going about the ASX looking good, and you can see the Dow had a pretty rough time on Friday, but our market's just holding up really, really well, and I really do like the look of it. So there's no excuses here to not get these trends right because the general market for the first time is actually looking very, very, very good. Um, just having a look at the Dow, just to you can see the Dow had broke this short-term moving average. It's not a good sign. That's on the what do you call it, the daily charts, and here we've got the weekly chart. So it looks like she really needs to hold that. I think 17,283 level. If not, if she breaks that level, I think she'll go down a lot lower. And so it's going to be an interesting month. That's why we love the stock market. So we're looking forward to obviously trading our way through it. Um, I think the reason we're so bullish on the ASX is why we put our TPM back as a trend today. And again, obviously, we can see why we put TPM back on. It's a big winner for us, and I think it's a great story and had a little buy signal. For me, it looks like it's going to trend higher. I'm quite happy to hold this one longer because I'm pretty sure it's only going up. As Hansen, funny enough, sold off in the last hour, and unfortunately, it can happen with, especially stocks which are just got slightly less volume. You only need one fund manager to sell, and you can see Hansen does do that. But even if she does sell down a little bit, I'm pretty confident she'll curve around and we'll get that $4 out of her, maybe even $4.20 sooner than later. FPH again looks absolutely fantastic. Uh, you know, we always say when we get these great looking charts, why wouldn't you buy that? And so why wouldn't you? And it's looks absolutely stunning. And AIA getting a little bit quieter today, but this looks fine. It's a great looking chart. TWE holding above that sort of $10 level, looks absolutely fine. And Focus actually had a little bit of run higher today and then came back. But again, great looking stock, and we really brought Focus a little bit more. Look at that sort of short-term chart, really holding very closely that 20-day moving average. I think it looks very strong. And of course, FRM, we're up about 10% on this stock in a week or so. I think it's looking very good, and I think obviously that 220 has got to be the next target. Um, Just obviously having a look at some of the other stocks that I think are real interest at the moment, and Bang Bang Yowie is there, and Yowie did a great capital raise, and they need the money. They can't at the moment they really can't sell enough chocolates. They're going to have to raise production. Uh, we weren't sort of in some ways surprised by the capital raising because they do need it. The chocolates are in such demand. And I think that's it from now. I think Yowie have got the money, they've got the demand, they've got the chocolates, they've got the product, and I think this is just the start. And I think Yowie's going to be going a lot higher over the next 6 months. And if you actually look at that short-term chart, again, she's an absolute another beauty. So again, coming up to a little buy signal, and I think it's not going to be long before she tests that $1.20 mark. I really do like the look of Yowie, and I think on the charts it looks really, really good. As one of our other 10 bag is actually on the short-term chart, looks really good. Came back, has done that a few times, hits that long-term moving average, and bang, up she goes again. I think if certainly, I mean, we've got VTG, we're holding it long, but if you're looking for a nice little trade to make a few nice, obviously, little percentage for us, I worry about sort of trending this stock so much. I mean, we've got in our 3-year growth portfolio, the volumes are light, but again, if you're not in this stock, I think now gives you a perfect time to get into VTG, or equally gives you a really good time to if you want to just buy it now and give the trend a go. Um, Obviously, great to see NUH. Nice little news story of Equity Stories. These great little earbuds up 25%. Again, that's quite a nice little bullish chart. Long may it continue. It looks absolutely fantastic. And I think really that's about it tonight. I mean, I'm looking at ORE again. I sort of want to trend this stock. I know she's got some production numbers coming out soon. ORE does tend to disappoint, so I'm hoping it does sort of come down so we can buy it again, because again this is a real little great little money maker for us, this ORE. So we can buy it near this trend line. As you can see in the history, it will come back, at least hold that to come back to that 20. So I think we can buy ORE cheaper and hopefully jump back into her and trend and make some more money with the stock. I'd just like to point out one stock before we go. I always like to just give you something different, sort of, and again, it's I think the Costa Group. Again, it's got a fantastic trend going. It looks really, really bullish. We haven't actually put this on yet as a trending stock, but again, if you're not in this, I think it's a fantastic looking chart, and certainly we've got our eyes out on this one, and I wouldn't be surprised if one day we're not trending this or putting it on as a story. That's about it tonight. I'd like to thank you for obviously listening to Equity Story, and I look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Thank you and good night.